Now, every spreadsheet has a last edited kind of history log, and you can go and look at previous versions. Now, this will just show you the versions. So if you want something a little bit more detailed, what I've done is created a script that will log the changes as they happen and detail who the user was. So if I write in the word test here in cell A, you'll see that a new sheet is created, and this is just for tracking. So it's got the user, it's got the date, timestamp, the cell that was edited, on what sheet. If it's blank, that means that there was nothing in the cell, and then changed to is the text that it was written. So if I go back and I change test to the word try, we'll get another log entry showing that it was past tense, and then it's been changed to the word try. So now let's modify multiple cells and see what happens. So we'll get another log entry, and it'll show that we changed B2 to D2 on sheet 1. It's blank because several of the cells were blank and they were written with the word try. So pretty cool. We can add more sheets. Write the word test. We'll do another one. Sheet 6, we'll write the word test and go back to the tracking. We can see that we got test for sheet 5 and test for sheet 6. So it works pretty well. We did this by using AppScript. I'll include the source code below with kind of I like to do a detailed document breaking down the code line by line. I'm not the best coder, so trying to do a tutorial where I show you how to code it in live time would take forever. So after the fact, I like to break down my code. That way you can understand it and use it if you want to. Hit that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.